I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, hey,
Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
hey, hey. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes, sometimes I feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. Say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Daily, daily, everybody go and live your daydreams up. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
de vacaciones cogemos el B&B, villas y mansiones. Mujeres bien borrachas
Ya cantando todas las canciones.
Conche de alcohol, bien llenos los jarrones.
Every single day. Every single day, every single day, hey. GM, everybody, and welcome to this another episode of your Web3 Morning Motivation Show. We're coming live on YouTube. We're coming live on X, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. So no matter how you are receiving this message, Welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, educate you, and motivate you every single morning in just 40 to 45 minutes. As you come in, please make sure that you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the share button, the comment button, the bell button. I mean, all the buttons. Because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push off to people's timeline, because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So, without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen. We got a very special show prepared for all of you today, because we're going to be talking about how Bitcoin is about to explode this summer, and we're going to provide you with the top 5 coins that are guaranteed to have a massive rally once Bitcoin moves. We're also going to be talking about our latest advancements in our decentralized autonomous technology, the Degen wallet, and we will also tell you all you need to know about our Moola token launch coming up in just a few weeks. So I'm sure that you are going to love this one. Now, if you're keen on joining our community and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies before the masses, just simply follow the OpenSea link that is in my bio or in the description of YouTube, depending on where you are tuning in from. Because from the outset, our vision has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. We began by minting out the Degen Forest NFT collection back in May 2023. This collection is the only ticket that grants you access to beta test all of our technology before anybody else. It's also the only way that you can earn freshly minted Moola tokens as a reward for helping us battle test our technology. We're also about to launch, we're about to release our Degen wallet to the public just a few weeks after our Moola token launch. And this is more than just a wallet, guys. It's the pinnacle of a Web3 bank revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3 and NFT management. And we do all this because our mission is to bring decentralized autonomous technology to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. Now, I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our reply guys out there. Where's our people in the chat? If you're in the chat, it doesn't matter where you're tuning in from. You might be on X, you might be on LinkedIn, you might be on Facebook, you may be on YouTube. It does not matter where you're tuning in from. I want to hear from you. Let us know where, what country, what city are you tuning in from? Let us know, and remember that your support means everything to us. And we want you to know that if you join our Telegram community, the link is in the description or in my bio. If you are on X, we're keeping track of all the raids and the engagement across all our social media accounts. And after our Moola token IEO launch coming very soon, there is a big airdrop coming into the forest, and all your likes, all your retweets, all the comments will count towards that airdrop. So keep the engagement coming, and let's make some magic together. Now, before I move forward, I just want to let you guys know that I am always thinking about this, and you guys must be aware that here at the Degen Forest, we just want you to be.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
That's right. All we want for you here is just to be happy. We are in a bull market. I don't know if you're watching this, but we are in a parabola, baby. This is just the appetizer. What you see here happening on the bread chart is what is about to happen literally to every single altcoin, every single token that you have in your bags. Bread is just giving us that little appetizer, so before the main course comes in. So here we're going to be talking about the five top coins that are for sure going to explode this summer after Bitcoin breaks out. So let's first look at how our granddaddy Bitcoin is doing on the chart, and we can see that, you know, we just want to print. We just got a little dumpity dump. We're playing with the 70 to 72,000 range. You can see here how we are trying to keys that range, and all the bulls are looking only for one thing and one thing only. We want to close this candle, the daily candle, above this body close. If we can close this candle above the body of this candle, the race is on. Then get ready, grab your popcorn and be happy, because things are about to explode, because Bitcoin is about to break this level, and the next target here will be what? $80,000 if you're watching the 5.3 diminishing returns formula. But if you're just looking at the FIP levels, then $90,000. It's the next target if we manage to close this candle right here, that candle right there. We want to close it above $72,000. So get excited, because things are about to go crazy here in the crypto industry, and you do not want to miss out. You don't want to get caught with your pants down. Looking at the crypto bubbles, you see that today we have a very bullish day with GME. We're going to be telling you all about it here in a minute. This pump is going crazy, and this pump, the GME pump, is just getting started. That is the reality. And then we also have the bread. We got bread. We just show you the chart, and bread on base is just melting faces, and it's just showing us exactly what all our beautiful coins are about to do after Bitcoin manages to do the next rally up to $80,000 or $90,000. So every Degen is with their eyes peeled right now, eyes on the charts. Everybody is eyes on the charts, looking at what the inflows will be for the ETF today, Friday, last day of trading. Everybody, it's also looking towards next week, because on Wednesday we have a CPI reading on the exact same day that we have a rate cut or hike decision. We got Powell is speaking next Wednesday, if I am not mistaken, and we have a CPI reading on the same day. So actually, that's usually strange. Usually you have the CPI reading first and Powell comes after the fact, but we can see that the European Union, you're right, they're already cutting rates. Canada already started to cut rates, and we are expecting one rate cuts taking place before the elections. It's election years. The party in power must do something to pump the markets to keep their voting base happy. They want them going into the voting booth with a smile face, and that only happens if your portfolio, baby, it's pumping. They know this. So we also see Yellen already started money printing. We saw the money printing flip positive literally by the end of last month, because Yellen started doing bond buybacks. They started doing buybacks, and that started on May 29. If my mind, I'm just going off top of my head here, guys. So all of these things have been cooking up prepping what is going to be a massive rally for Bitcoin on during this summer, and you definitely don't want to miss out. So make sure you join the tribe. Make sure you stay with us. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like, stay notified, because we are planning to keep you updated every single week with everything that's going on the markets. But now, let's go into what we promised, because all right, Bitcoin is doing great. I love Bitcoin. But if you want to generate real wealth, if you start to make the real moolah, you know what I mean? So you need to be on more in a diversified portfolio of altcoins. And that's what we do here. That's why we got, all these bubbles is literally, this is my bags. I have bags in all of these coins. And, I'm doing very good in some today. I'm doing very bad in others. That's just what happens in a day-to-day in the markets. But we're going to be giving you today 5 coins that are guaranteed. So we're gonna leave the risk on the table today. Today we're going to speak to those of you that say, you know what, I love the meme coins. I love all the excitement, but I cannot put, a huge chunk of my money on a meme. I need to play more safer bets. Yeah, I can maybe drop $1,000 to play with memes, but I don't have, I'm not gonna be putting $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 into anything that doesn't have real meat on the bone. So here we got you covered, baby. We got you covered, because we're gonna give you 5 coins that once Bitcoin starts to rally up, these are guaranteed. Listen to my words. Guaranteed to go up and more than likely outperform Bitcoin, with the potential of generating you lots of wealth. So stay tuned. Let's go and let's show you what will be the first coin in place, and that will be, of course, Chainlink. Chainlink is the top horse of this cycle as far as I am concerned. They have been here since forever, building amazing technology that is being used quite literally by every single project. Every serious project in existence actually uses Chainlink in one way or another. But what is really bullish about Chainlink is that they came out with a new piece of technology that is called the CCIP. This is an amazing new bridge technology. By the way, I don't know if you went by the Degen Forest website lately, but I just want you to point out that we, let me wait a little bit here, and you should see that we do have actually a partnership with Chainlink. Maybe I need to refresh. Why is not? There you go, right there. Boom. You can see it right there. Because our Degen wallet uses the CCIP. So when our Degen wallet is fully fleshed out, you will be able to send tokens multi-chain, cross-chain seamlessly. You're gonna be able to do that. You have USDT and you are on Ethereum. The other guy is in Solana. You don't care about that. You just, how much you want to pay the guy. You put the Solana address and you're sending from Ethereum, and the CCIP technology behind the Chainlink amazing product handles all the bridging seamlessly and fast as well. So our Degen wallet does incorporate the CCIP technology in the back, and we're very proud to be in a great collaboration. And we have been speaking with the team at the Chainlink Labs for many months now, and we can finally, tell you all about it. We're gonna be doing official announcements about the CCIP integration once the wallet is live on the market. But you are here, you're a family member, you're here doing your due diligence for our IEO, and you wanna see you see these logos in our website, and you may be wondering, what is the extent, what is the level of the relationship with some of these companies? We're transparent here, baby. We're gonna tell you all about it today. We're telling you all about Chainlink. We're gonna be using their CCIP technology. We got early access to their beta before it was even in general release, and we have been working on the integration for a while, but that's gonna be officially announced at a later time. Today, we're just here to cheer them up and be very happy for them. Why? Because Chainlink just finished a pilot program with Swift, and they're moving into, it looks like it was a successful pilot program, which now they're gonna move into production. And that's what you wanna see. You don't want people just to come to experiment on the blockchain. You want them moving into production level products after they're done experimenting. So Chainlink has secured a nice collaboration with Swift, and if you have ever done any type of bank wired, you know what Swift is, because it's the international standard, messaging standard being used by every bank around the world in order for facilitate the wiring of money bank to bank. But now with the new Chainlink technology behind this protocol, you're not gonna have to wait 2 days for your money to arrive. You will not have to use intermediary banks for your money to arrive, and everything is done transparently, instantly, beautifully by the technology built by the Chainlink Labs, our friends at Chainlink Labs. And we're so happy. We're so happy for this, because this is what true innovation looks like. This is what true adoption of the underlying technology looks like. More than, betting money on the assets and buying Bitcoin and buying Ethereum and buying the token. You want to see the underlying technologies being adopted, because at the end of the day, that is what generates revenue, and it's that revenue what will keep the token pumping at the end of the day. And also, something that has me very happy about what's going on with Chainlink is the fact that the Chainlink native token is heavily involved in the ecosystem. So they managed to ensure that the Link token is being used in an utility manner. It has utility inside the ecosystem, creating a ton of demand for the coin once the program goes into production. So now, once this is live, which is not live yet, hint, hint. So you may want to position yourself on Link, because Link should do an easy 10x from here. Remember, we're going after safe bets. And will Chainlink do a 100x? No, of course not. But it will definitely do a 5 to 10x, and it will outperform Bitcoin, and it will outperform Ethereum, and it's a blue chip solid project that has been here, will be here, and is not going anywhere. It's a proven multi-cycle coin that is pretty much a safe bet, even if you have to hodl the coin throughout bear cycle periods. But I hope that that's not going to happen to you, because you are going to be exiting the market in time to capture profits once this bull market hits a top. And the way you're going to do that is by subscribing and making sure you keep the pulse in the market with us, because we're going to tell you everything about the markets, the cycles, and when you should be looking to exit out. If you want to know, hint, hint, first quarter of 2025 is when the, Bitcoin should be hitting a market cycle top, and after that happens is when altcoins are going to go literally to Mars, and you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. You want to be riding the altcoin season that takes place after Bitcoin tops, because that's the true altcoin seasons that melt faces. That's the altcoin season where true real wealth is made if you have your positions in the right horses, and in order for you to capture the most of that wealth, you need to be positioned already. Hopefully you are already positioned, and if you are not, then you may want to start looking into these coins. Chainlink being the first one, doing amazing. We love the coin. The second one that we are going to be talking about today is Render. Render, the AI narrative this cycle is hot, and if you want to ride the AI narrative safely, there's no better token than Render. Yeah, there are others in the game, there are others, but Render is the top horse. And remember, this video, this live stream today, this show today is about your safe bets. How do you make sure you make the most wealth in the safest possible place? That will be Render. Because Render, they're distributing GPU for not only rendering, which for video is very important, but also for AI training models. The most important thing on AI is having access to machine power, right? GPU power, so that you can train your models fast and efficiently, and that's exactly what Render, that's the service that Render offers to the AI industry, to the overall AI industry, generating the company massive revenues that then are translated into massive gains for those holding the Render token. So Render is the second coin that Chainlink, Render. If you're not positioned in those two, are you even riding this market, bro? What are you doing? Now, let's go right into the third one, because I need to get out of here, guys. I'll be honest. Busy Friday today. So if you noticed, we started the show earlier. That's because we are a lot of things happening here at the Degen Forest with our beautiful Degen wallet and our Moola token launch that is coming up in just a few days. So we gotta get out of here and get into some meetings with some exchanges. But, that at the side, with the third coin that we have for you here is Ondo, because another strong narrative this bull cycle is the RWA narrative, that stands for real world assets, right? So Ondo is the leading horse in that race, right? So that's what I'm giving you. I'm not giving you second guesses. I'm giving you the favorite horse in every single narrative. So we already covered the oracles narrative. That's where Chainlink is at, and it's covering bridges. There are several things happening on the Chainlink ecosystem. Then we're covering we covered the AI ecosystem. That's Render. But now we are in the real world assets, and there is no better coin that Ondo, if you want to be playing on the real world assets game, and the amount of money that is gonna flow through here is just amazing, with companies like BlackRock backing the technology, and it looks like BlackRock will be heavily involved in using the Ondo technology as part of their tokenized future vision. So if you want to have a coin that for a fact is going to do well, and you were holding a solid blue chip, one of those favorite horses on the race, Ondo is your best bet. It's already rally a little bit. You may want to find an entry position on all these coins. I'm not giving you any order, and I'm not giving you the coin now because it's a good time to buy. No, I'm just giving you the coin. It's up to you to find when is a good time to buy. You know your risk tolerance better than me, and I am not your financial advisor at the end of the day. Remember that I'm just a monkey on the internet. You should not be taking financial advice from a monkey on the internet. I'm just gonna put that out there. With that said, Ondo is pretty much guaranteed, guys, to be the leader on the RWA race. And if you want to put your money to work for you on a safe place, this is one of those projects. The next project we're going to be talking about is one of my favorites, and that will be Jupiter. That will be right here. Jupiter. This is a Solana ecosystem that has multiple things. It has a DEX. It also has limit orders without stopping being a DEX. So it's a DEX that also gives you the ability to have a limit orders. This is so useful. I use it so much, especially when I want to find entries on Degen coins, right? I use the limit order a lot. And I love the way that the simplicity of the exchange. I love the way they're putting everything and managing everything, where everything is located. You can DCA, for example, let's say you have $10,000 that you want to put on a meme coin, but you don't want to trade against yourself. You can put a DCA order that allows you to gobble up that coin in smaller chunks, giving you a much overall better price and better entry point or exit point, because you should always DCA in, but you should always DCA out. And for some reason, most YouTubers will tell you all about how you can DCA in, but most of them will not tell you how you can DCA out. And that's crazy important as well. But I digress. Let's move on. Jupiter, if you don't have, this is a leader ecosystem. Also, something that I love about them is the bridge. Right here. If you want to bridge funds from the Ethereum ecosystem over to the Solana ecosystem so you can play on some of these wild memes, there is no better place to get your quote than here, because here you can compare prices. So you can get a quote and it will give you the best prices across all the top bridges. And many times you will find that the most popular bridges are often not the ones giving you the best rate. And then bridges that maybe are not as popular as others, right, give you a much better rate. And this little tool right here, it allows you to save so much money that is insane. Of course, also if you're playing on USDC, they have a direct connection to the wormhole by Circle, allowing them to do a one-to-one bridge over without any slippage. They just charge a small fee in the gas fee and a small fee in the middle, but you get a one-to-one ratio on the bridging when you're doing in USDC through here. So they got so many little functions, but also what I love is the simplicity. Straightforward, simple to use. 1, 2, 3. No, you don't have to be second guessing. You don't have to be diving deep into the documents of the tool to figure out how things work. No, this is simple, and that's what we want to see in every ecosystem. Simple to use tools that everybody can adopt, right? So we already spoke about Chainlink. We already spoke about Render. We already spoke about Ondo, and we already spoke about Jupiter. So we got 2 more coins. We're gonna give you 2 more coins, and we're gonna get out of here. And the 2 more coins that we're gonna give you, of course, are the 2 most hot coins of this market, with the first one being GME. Why? Because everybody is right here. All eyes are right here, right now. Look at this. 30,000 people are waiting for RoaringKitty to do a comeback, baby, into the live stream scene. And GME is pumping like crazy. We saw it on the bubbles at the beginning of the market, and I'm gonna show it to you right here because GME is just going bananas, and you don't want to be missing out this massive rally up. It just had a dip. So if you are looking for an entry position, we just had a retracement, and we are in our way back up again prior to the extreme that is about to happen in just about 2 hours. I hope that you are there, because I will be right there, and I hope that all my Degen apes in the family will be riding that chat, telling everybody about the Moola token launch and everything that is coming up in just a couple days for the Degen Forest community. But if you are not on GME, bro, for real, are you not paying attention to what's going on? You are not on GME yet? What are you waiting for? You gotta front run the market. We gotta squeeze those suits. We have to make them feel the pain, baby. So get a bag, get a bag, get a bag, and don't cry like a baby. Get a bag. Let's make the suits cry. Let's make the billionaires cry. And we all here at the Degen Forest, we back RoaringKitty. 100%. We stand behind his values, everything that he believes. And we're here to make them suffer. Because we're not selling our stocks. We're just not. Now, if you want to ride 24/7, you can buy GME in Solana. GME in Solana, it's about what, 100 million market cap last time I checked, maybe 200. It's gonna go to a couple billion after with all of these. So if you wanna have a quick flight to the moon, you may wanna be looking at GME on Solana, because it looks like it's gonna pump hard. Also, you got AMC in Solana that pumps hard every time that he comes out, and you also have dumb money. Dumb money. There's a whole movie made about dumb money, and there is a coin in Solana. Oh, you didn't believe it? There's a coin in Solana called dumb money that is related to that movie. Where is it? I think I had it. I had it somewhere. I don't have it. Let me see. Dumb money. Right here. That's dumb money right there. It had a massive pump at the beginning when RoaringKitty started, right? Look at that massive run, and then it consolidated all the way. When he did the Reddit post, it had a little pump, and now look at that. It's coming up again. It's coming up, fighting with our previous resistance zones. We have that. You see that massive resistance. That's why I have a line there. Massive resistance zone. So we are about to break that resistance zones, and once we break that, there's nothing. We just fly from there. So this is just what, not even 1 million market cap. So this is your Degen coin of the day. Be careful, because this one is not guaranteed. This one is not part of the guaranteed 5 coins. I already gave you that. Now I'm giving you the Degen shit, right? The Degen stuff. The things that can either make you or break you, if you know what I mean. You either make a lot of money or you get wrecked. Your choice, right? But I think that with the movie or the Netflix special that they have, I'm pretty sure that Netflix is gonna do season 2 of that series, and the title is literally dumb money. So I just don't see how this coin being so intertwined with the RoaringKitty narrative and with everything that is going on. I don't see how this coin is not just gonna fly as well. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. I do have a small bag. I did buy the button. Right? You see these things right here in sell, and you know that there is a strong cultural narrative behind them. You have to at least throw a couple bucks at it, right? You see what happens. But at the end of the day, keep it real. These are very high risk coins. So don't get caught with your pants down, and don't ever invest or put anything more than what you can actually afford to lose. With that said, let's get into the final coin of the day, and that is, of course, our one and only, our beautiful Moola token. And the reason why we're so bullish on the Moola token is because I know everything that is happening behind this coin, and I know that there is a sustainable business model. I know that the company is able to generate revenue, and I know that they will use 33% of the revenue to buy back the Moola tokens and burn them. Can you say the same about your favorite coin that you have in your portfolio right now? And this is moving into the wallet technology. You may have RWA. Yes, you may have AI. Yes, you may have oracles. But guess what? None of them work unless you have a wallet, baby. Yes, that's right. And let me tell you something. I can bet you anything right now that you don't have a wallet coin in your portfolio. wallet being the most important infrastructural piece of technology of the whole ecosystem, and you don't have a wallet coin in your portfolio, and you may be asking why. Why is that I never hear anybody speaking about wallet coins? It's because they don't exist. And the little ones that exist, Trust Wallet, Safe, they're nothing. The coin have zero utility inside the ecosystems. And you may be asking yourself, but why those wallets, why MetaMask doesn't have a coin? Why Phantom doesn't have a coin? Why several of these wallets, most of them, they don't have a coin? Why? Because, actually, Phantom have a coin? I gotta check, maybe Phantom have a coin. But most wallets, when was the last time you saw a YouTuber telling you, get into the wallet narrative? The wallet narrative is about to explode. Never. You never heard that, because wallets, while being the most important piece of technology of the ecosystem, is the only piece of technology that is guaranteed to make money from day one. Since most wallets are able to generate real tangible revenue from day one, the teams behind those wallets, they don't want to share that with you. Therefore, they launch no token, or they only launch a bullshit token that doesn't really do anything inside the ecosystem. Why? Because they want to keep all the revenue for themselves. And that's not something we do here at the Degen Forest. We believe in you, and we believe that if you are helping us battle test this technology, you deserve to have most of the revenue generated by our beautiful Degen wallet. And the way we're gonna do that is by grabbing 33% of all the revenue collected inside the swaps, the Avalons, the Lido staking, the NFT sales, the hardware wallet sales, all the revenue coming up from all those places that are gonna be used to just buy Moola tokens and burn them, baby, because that's how you properly transfer the value generated by your product to your community members. So don't miss out, because in just 9 days and 18 hours with 40 minutes, we got the Moola token IEO coming live to the P2B exchange, and you don't want to miss out on it, because this is the only time that you will be able to find Moola tokens this cheap, because in June 24 we are about to launch this bad boy into centralized exchanges as well as decentralized exchanges, and we're about to kickstart this moon mission. And I can tell you something, you're not gonna find this token for this price ever again. So you may want to do arrangements, wink wink, and ensure that you get a bag during the IEO so that you can have a safe trip to the moon with our beautiful Moola token and our Degen Forest community members. Where are all our community members on the chat? Join our tribe today. Make sure you join today. We're right here in the chat. I see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Your support is always well appreciated. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining today. It's been a true pleasure. I hope that you guys do your due diligence on all of these coins. Make sure you don't get caught with your pants down, and enjoy the ride, because we're going to the moon together. And then together as friends, we enjoy the ride much, much better. So thank you for tuning in. I will see you again on Monday. And until then, remember, games are nothing. Freedom is everything.
Coming up, bad news for savers, as even those with high-interest savings accounts are seeing their money disappear thanks to inflation. But first, we'll detail every possible thing you could die from. He's a rational investor, dividend digester, saves some of his paycheck just like all his ancestors. Him looking for high yields? That's never the case. He's seeking 6% returns. Slow and steady wins the race. But when he checks his accounts just to see what they're fielding, it's like driving in Maryland. Ain't nobody yielding. What is he to do? He shouldn't be in a drought, so he visits his advisor just to sort it all out. Inflation's higher than your bond rate. That's what I was fearing. So your savings account is slowly disappearing and your CDs are pointless. That's not very funny. What would you like me to do? Put it all in dog money. Dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm trading it in for dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money.
net worth ain't no longer in a straight line. I'm making smart moves, I ain't gonna be a pun. I sold my IRA and bought an NFT of one. All in on Doge, I dish them out like a Tommy gun. You think I was statehood the way I'm passing on Washington? I feel like Matt Gates, you know what I mean? Assuring everybody it's above 18. It's a modern day gold rush, the prices will boom. Like Reggie White versus the Oilers, I'm headed straight to the moon. My broker's calling, you know that it's on. Buy dog money, don't stop till it's dawn.
1 more airbase, 2 more museums, 3 more walls, 4 more Supremes, 5 more stadiums. We're all out of fiat. Can you take trillions of these and go and make a Xerox? We pay our debts in our currency that might be unfurled if it's no longer the reserve currency of the world. Confidence in the dollar is permanent. Just ask any scholar. People are exchanging their dollars for dog money. Dog money? Dog money. Dog money.
We trading it in for dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money, dog